Hello, this is Pat O'Connor with O'Connor & Associates, and this video is part of a series on protesting the property taxes for your home in Texas. The topic of this video is what can you do after the Appraisal Review Board hearing if you don't like the results. So, as previous videos have discussed, there's three steps to the process: the informal hearing, the Appraisal Review Board hearing, and then you have the final step. And there's actually three options for the final step. The first is binding arbitration, and that will be the best option for most homeowners. For your homestead, you can file for binding arbitration regardless of the value of your house. If it's a rental property or a commercial property, you can file binding arbitration if the value is less than $1 million. You can also file a lawsuit in district court. However, filing fees are about $300, and then you're also going to have an attorney and an expert witness. So with a typical home value at $200,000, unfortunately, it is just not practical for most homeowners to continue the appeal with a district court lawsuit. And the third option is what's called the SOA hearing. SOA is an acronym for State Office of Administrative Hearings. And you can do a SOA hearing if it's a property valued at more than $1 million. But for homeowners, the best option is going to be an appraisal and binding arbitration. You have to pay a $500 deposit. If you're successful, you get back $450 of the money. And the people selected as binding arbitrators are not the Appraisal Review Board members. They're either licensed real estate appraisers or licensed real estate brokers, and they are not tied to the appraisal district. So if you get an inequitable treatment, or if you're treated inequitably at the Appraisal Review Board, strongly consider binding arbitration. The result in most cases of binding arbitration is quite reasonable and fair, and it will encourage the appraisal district to make the Appraisal Review Board hearing process more equitable. For more information on protesting your property taxes, visit us at cutmytaxes.com.